Here we go. Get in, baby.
Oh my gosh. Which way are you going to go?
You might want to be up front.
Why?
Just cause.
I'm scared.
We'll figure it out once we get going. No, just get in. I'll push you. Don't worry about it.
Oh, you better get
Babe,
in too.
here. Sit down. You're fine.
Oh my gosh. Babe, we don't have any cup holders.
It's okay. What was that?
Yeah.
Alright. You ready? Bye, baby. Don't move.
Hey, you almost went overboard. Oh my gosh, that's freaking. Okay, are we good?
Yeah.
You got your balance and stuff?
A minute. Alright, go over that way.
Why aren't we allowed to sit in the middle?
You don't.
What way do I do it?
No, do it the other way because you're paddling against me.
So how? Because I'm kind of scared. Because that water's really deep. So why aren't you allowed to sit in the middle?
I mean, you can, but...
Is it supposed to rock like this?
Yeah.
I've been in this before.
You really don't have to do anything if you don't want to.
I'm scared some. We should see where we're going.
Come over here and sit down then.
If this dip can falls on me, I'm not going to lie.
It's not a dip can.
What is it?
It's a Monster and Diet Coke.
Oh, good. Oh, is this water?
Yeah.
Is it in the face of the
No, we're going to go there to the ducks. You're doing really good, babes.
Hurting my arm.
I'm going to turn this around.
You might want to watch my phone there. It's right by that phone.
I'll go over to the corner. Want to go to the dock? Huh? What?
It might be some body.
I don't know.
What kind of fish are they?
I have no idea. No, baby, it's fine. I'm going to take this jacket off, though.
What?
I'm going to take this jacket off.
One jacket off. Comfortable enough.
Careful.
Why?
Don't be leaning so much.
Is it scary?
No. I just ain't trying to tip.
I ain't either. You almost Baby, you better be careful.
I got this.
You're making us go lopsided. Ooh. This is going to be really nice. It's like the old boat off the movie. Remember?
Yep. Yeah. Who's going up? Yeah. Good picture of it. Nice. Yep. Yep.
And now we just have Leo and we have to just put it on the
Alright.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Alright. Okay, now ready?
Thank you. I'll take a picture of it.